my chef aha eba ene hot seat jumediation koniso boni be kan the very first edition and after the premiere of the hot seat nene edem ho ase empire ebeja esa say enkomo no emube de emube hye emube rem I top GTV so de obiya boa me am de mu chia me fiji uma yetwa yen ho ba me de me guest ebetwem invited to the hot seat show. Hopefully, when you were back hot seat, so top G, how was the feeling like?
Well, it was kind of terrifying, quite cool. Yeah, I haven't experienced this before though. So
okay, how terrifying was it? I don't know which show say
well, not necessarily, but like I felt like maybe kind of nervous.
No, I never started. Yeah. Okay, I see. So, Elikema, can you give us a brief on who Elikem is? Elikema, who is Elikem? Why is your friend Elikem?
Well, I want to use like a few words to describe Elikem. I'm an optimistic person, okay. Vibrant, unique, and I think I'm more of like words cannot describe how genuine I am.
Okay, yeah. So you have lots of features, right?
Of course.
Okay, so where do you come from?
Volta region.
Volta region. Which part of the Volta region?
Keta and Abo.
Keta and Abo.
Yeah, Kachiabo.
Okay, so you like Keta school boys, right?
Ah, of course.
Okay.
Who doesn't like Keta school boys?
Okay.
Who doesn't?
Nice. So can you tell us your age?
26.
26.
Yeah.
Oh, young and energetic, right?
Very.
That's
quite.
Nice. So, growing up, how has life been? From being your normal boys to your adult age.
Yeah.
Can you just give us a brief on how the life has been? Who you've been staying with, or who you stayed with? How was the treatment and how was everything?
Well, life has it's been quite a tough journey getting where I've been, like where I am now. It hasn't been quite easier. Like I know everyone is going through a lot, but then mine hasn't been also easy for me.
Okay.
I grew up with my grandparents.
Okay.
Yeah. But somewhere around 2011, sorry, I left their place to go live with someone else, a friend of mine. So I was there for like a year, almost 2 years, and I left there, and I came back to my grandma's.
Okay.
Yeah.
So were you stubborn, or you were the cool type?
Well, I say like I'm both.
Yeah, both stubborn. How stubborn were you, or how stubborn are you?
I'm not that kind of stubborn guy that everyone like. You see, there are some people that are like really stubborn. You get?
Yes.
But once I mean, they won't take a car. I say me a stubborn, but I know.
What do you see?
Yeah.
Slow but sure.
Of course.
Okay.
But I said I'm stubborn, I am a cool person.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in growing up, no, so now you had to live with a friend at a point in time, and then came back to your grandparents. No?
Yeah.
What are some of the challenges I will face here in growing up to become who you are now? No.
I think all the challenges leads back to like financial situations.
Yeah.
Okay. I think apart from that, I be boy. I for push hard.
Okay. You've not made mention of your mom or your dad. Can we know their whereabouts?
My parents live around Kaswa. They live around Korea. It's a Sabbath around Kaswa.
Oh, okay.
A Sabbath of Kaswa. They live together too.
Okay.
Yeah.
But did you ever live with them?
Yeah. I spent a few years with them.
So they took you to your grandma's place?
Yeah.
So let's say your grandma's boy.
I think, like, the thing is, we were all staying in the family house.
Okay.
And then they left to their own place.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, they left like when I was a kid.
Oh, okay. That's nice.
Yeah.
So where do you stay currently?
Currently, I reside at NIC.
NIC. Where is that? Anya NIC.
Yeah, Anya NIC.
Oh, okay.
If you get there, just mention mine. Everybody knows.
Wow. So you are popular too.
Very, very, very.
That's nice. So we have one popular guy here today with us. Okay. And now, moving on, we would like to know if you're a student or you're working.
Okay, I'm a student. I'm a student.
Okay, which school?
ATU.
ATU.
Accra Technical University.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Level?
Level 200.
Okay, you read, what do you read?
Computer science.
Hey, engineers for adults.
For real. Adults for Ghana.
Okay, that's nice. Well, what made you choose that course?
I like programming.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you have any hope of being a programmer someday?
Well, it depends. If it's paying, why not? And the programming does pays a lot, so.
Okay.
Yeah,
so hope it's kind of
who doesn't like money, babe?
Yeah, I see.
I love money. I don't like money. I love money.
You love money. Okay, that's nice. And then, which social media app are you addicted to?
Wow. I'd say Instagram, not TikTok, Twitter.
Instagram, Twitter,
and then Facebook.
And Facebook.
WhatsApp as well, but.
And WhatsApp.
Yeah.
So these are your favorites.
I like TikTok too, but.
You make TikTok videos?
Yeah, I do. I do make some funny TikTok videos.
You enjoy doing that?
Yeah, but not like always, not frequently, like sometimes.
Okay.
Yeah, I like to make some comic videos and then post it out there. I don't really get views. I don't know why. If you can teach me, yeah.
So you don't really get views on TikTok,
but I get some small likes.
But you get some small likes.
Yeah.
Don't worry. You're showing your more likes.
Okay.
Yeah, you're showing your more likes.
Right.
So, what's your favorite movie? And a movie ben now pressure pan.
I like crime-related movies.
Emotional ones.
No, I like crime.
Crime.
Yeah. Especially heist movies like.
Okay.
Heist, like
Now you're able to.
Yeah, the area there.
Yeah. Why do you want to be a thief?
No. Like like some movies, like it's full of suspense. Like you don't know what's
happens next. Okay.
I like those kind of movies, and I like adventure movies. I like sitcom.
Okay.
And I like comic movies too. Yeah.
Okay. So do you have a girlfriend?
This matter I won't talk for here. This matter, girlfriend. I don't know say I get girlfriend, but I get girlfriend. But you know, my church already watched right now.
It's no problem. It's
My
no
church
time to have
elder
a
dey-
girlfriend.
For real, I don't go Jehovah Witness. So imagine say if they say I get girlfriend, we I get girlfriend. I
But
get
then
girlfriend.
you
But if
get
I go talk to
girlfriend.
right now, I get girlfriend now. Then go feel like this fellowship. You get. But I answered your question. I said I get girlfriend, but maybe if I go talk say I get girlfriend now.
Okay.
Maybe I don't get girlfriend too.
So a slim lady and a fat lady, who would you choose?
The one will get boobs.
That's what you want.
You know the matter if you fat or slim. But I like slim.
Okay.
But if you get boobs there,
Okay.
so got boobs there, they the Bible inside. Ask no the Bible.
Wow.
Yeah.
Where in the Bible can you find that?
There are about 57 verses in the Bible that talks about breast.
Wow.
Yeah, for real.
57
Oh, I'm
verses in the
surprised
Bible.
I'm surprised you don't know. For real. I'm being honest. My favorite one is Ecclesiastes 66. Okay, let me go to Proverbs chapter 5 verse 19.
Wow.
It says, "Let her breasts satisfy you always." That's my favorite part of the Bible.
I see.
Yeah.
So you like the breast quotations in the
For
Bible?
real. Why? I don't know
How do
why.
they inspire you in your Christian life?
Who?
The breast chapters, how do they inspire you in your Christian life?
Meaning that if I see breast the past, I have spy the like
Admire.
nature. Breast is like full of
Breast
life.
is life.
God bless you. Charlie. Hey. If I see
Okay.
boobs, there's something to do with it.
Wow.
Yeah, for real.
So if you're asked to choose between money and breast, which one will you choose and why?
If I get money, I will get breast. So I will choose money. I get money, I will get breast.
Is breast for sale?
As I get money, if I pass somewhere, I will get breast. I pass it, I will get breast.
How do you mean? How do you mean by that?
Meaning say like.
Also far, if you pass here, you will get breast.
So we train more. Some will sky shame. Say shame.
So we now buy. Oh, nice.
It's my first car.
Breakfast cup.
For real.
Nice. It's a nice idea.
For real.
I see. So, Cecilia, what do you have ahead of you? Also in the next years to come, and what are your plans for the next years ahead of you?
Well, I want to be, is that like I said earlier, or early on, I said I'm a very optimistic person.
Yeah.
I see myself in the next few years, like possible years, I want to be like a brand ambassador.
Okay.
Like I want to own like big stuffs.
Wow.
And I'm pushing to get big stuffs too.
The vision is very big.
For real. Who doesn't want to dream big? At the end of the day, the only thing you get is say you go dream. And then hope small.
That's nice. What's one word or one phrase you like using? One word or a phrase you like using?
I forget money.
I forget money.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Have you ever been heartbroken?
Hey! This matter. Yeah, I have been heartbroken like several times.
How was the feeling?
Several times. It's kind of depressing, or the. But it's okay. It's okay. I'm okay now.
Wakuma bubu ya na say how was it? Like the person okay, say it was kind of okay. We don't get a clear picture of how it went. My feeling, my saying we be yesterday we send an next year.
Hey, how my heart self feel that time? It be like now my heart I the kai self. I don't go that side.
No, easy. Oh,
for it wasn't an easy thing.
So
it was a really bad experience for me.
Okay. Obepe say be better to be.
No.
But should in case it be side to then I'll be.
I always bounce back stronger.
Okay. So
And lately, I haven't been making things get into my mind, like in my head.
So you just let go of anything that happens?
Yeah, I don't really like delve, like put myself to things like that emotionally, because I get emotionally like drained easily. Like, yeah, so I don't really like putting emotions first.
Okay. What was your most embarrassing moment?
Most embarrassing moment. Most embarrassing moment. Most embarrassing moment. I took for car inside. Now we trust. For real. When the person with my side they spam my face, which I spam his face.
Oh, that's very nice.
Yeah.
But why would you do that?
Front seat.
Front
that
seat.
Thing they do me, yeah, now that thing won't come. Wait me to Charlie, I don't know how me that thing come. So the thing come, when the guy they tap the man, I mean man, the man spam my face, I spam his face. Yeah. For real.
Why you from a bonnet?
I do, yeah, man. So it's quite embarrassing. They like, this me even.
Oh.
Yeah, that was the most.
But then I want to be here, sir. Eh? A nice gentleman like you.
Wow, show me come a nice guy, pan.
Nice, we are now waiting from our bonnet. We from our bonnet. Now we are moving.
I think I ate beans that morning.
Hey.
Yeah.
Go, baby.
It was around 2017. Now I call Malam.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
So now I did beans and pan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is that one thing you will never do again?
One thing I'll never do again.
Yeah.
One thing I'll never do again. One thing
I'll show a why you be done now? What you've tried some time ago, it didn't help you, and now you don't even want to talk, like not talk about. You don't even want it to come to mind. Say I did with me. What would be that one thing?
That would be not taking like some chances.
Okay.
Yeah, you know, sometimes you get some you this is with time. There are certain like situations you find yourself in because you don't know the future or what comes next.
Yeah.
You are supposed to like take the necessary steps that you think it's good for you.
It's good.
Yeah. So I think if I would not like, if I would go back to time, those are the only things I would change. Like.
Okay. Do you smoke?
No.
Have you ever tried it before?
Yeah, I've done.
How did you feel? Did you feel terrible or it was cool?
Oh, well, it was kind of cool. Yeah.
It was kind of cool, but it's not your thing.
No, I don't do that.
Okay. Stay at home or party with the boys? Which one would you go for?
Both. It depends where the party day. I love party.
No, you have to choose one. So stay at home or go out for party with the
house. If you show the way day house, me the good day, or me good day house, or
just you.
I would choose party with the boys.
But if you were to be with a girl, you would not go, right?
This matter. Who will see Shodi there, go left say go party with boys. But I always go choose the boys. But the boys will know say I will delay them like 2 hours.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's that one song you would never stop listening to?
Let Her Go.
Let It Go.
Let Her Go.
Let Her Go. By
Passenger.
Can you give us some verse? Can you sing?
Or you do like I don't really remember the song, but it's my favorite song. I can't.
Oh,
really
your
sing
favorite
it.
song? I want to mean
I
to
can't
it.
sing, but it's my favorite song. Let Her Go.
Okay.
Yeah. If we were playing it right now, I can mimic the song.
Okay. So what football
Then one
team
of my
is?
favorite songs too is Why.
Why?
Yeah, by Kobe Central. That's my boy.
Okay. So can you also sing just a part of that?
Hey Central, this one I beg you. Oh nah, Quilly. Your matani, matele, something like that. Like it's a really nice
favorite song. You can't sing
it's
your
a really
favorite
nice song. You know,
Okay.
I'm sorry. I wasn't like I didn't know to do this one.
Okay. So what football team do you support with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your body? What football team?
I have two favorite football clubs. I have two favorite football clubs. That is Real Madrid.
Okay.
And Accra Hearts of Folk.
Wow.
And any team Ronaldo joins, Cristiano Ronaldo, I'm a fan of that team too.
Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, how funny would you say you are?
I am 10. No,
10.
I think I'm even 100.
100.
For real.
Wow. Out of 10.
For real.
You are very funny.
I'm extremely funny.
Oh wow. Okay, that's nice. Which wild animal would you like to have as a pet? Which wild animal would you like to have as a pet?
Wild animal would I like to have as a pet? This is an intriguing question. Wild animal. Hey, I'll have to go for tiger.
Tiger. Why would you like to keep a tiger?
Tiger, they say you get tiger, they get money. Because no be easy to go to buy tiger. Tiger, no be small people they buy tiger.
Okay. So, what is the craziest thing a fan has done? What's one of the craziest thing your fan, or let's say a friend, has done to you or has done for you? What's the craziest thing you can say a friend has done just for you?
Like the
craziest thing.
Fun.
Let's say a friend. Yeah,
it could be female.
It could be male, it could be female, it could be a gay, it could be a lesbian.
Hey, why? I not be gay.
Okay, so
I get blowjob for kind side before. Not be trusty. For real. That time with the COVID camp. The time with the COVID camp, serious matter they tell you. Now the time with my girl day. She from Coco.
Okay.
So from when I dance, they go Pokwase. So that time we tap 2-2 for the kind side.
Yeah.
And I did be real.
Was it that what you mean training do fear?
No, now she did go. She did go back to Coco.
She came to you and she was leaving. So you couldn't have enough of her when she came.
Yeah, I'm always not satisfied.
Oh, I see. I see that.
That'd be the craziest moment, man.
Okay.
I beg my church out, I'm making her say this thing.
Alright. Yeah. What one food can you eat for the whole week without getting rid of?
Fufu.
Fufu with which soup?
Fufu then palm nut soup. Or fufu then light soup. Yeah, I'll be cool with that.
Fufu and light soup?
No, palm nut soup.
Palm nut soup.
And then or fufu then garnet soup.
Fufu and garnet soup.
Yeah.
Okay, so back on life issues.
Yeah.
When would you like to get married?
Married.
In how many years time would you like to get married?
Everyone wants to get married when they are financially stable. Yeah. So when I'm financially stable. And
when will you do that? On how many years would you give it to yourself? Maybe you can say in 2 years or in 5 years or in 6 years time. How many years would you lay down for that? Soon?
Yeah, soon.
So it can be less than a year.
This matter, only Jesus Christ will go for your answers. So if you now talk say I'm coming soon, up to now 2,000 years plus, he still not come. So imagine. So if I say sooner, it could be 2 years, could be 3 years, could be 5 years. So soon.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay. Spell your name backwards. Spell your name backwards.
The Elikem or the Oscar?
The Elikem or the Oscar.
M-E-K-I-L-E.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about the Oscar?
R-A-C-S-O.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, since you are a Voltarian, you come from the Volta region, can you give us just one of these songs, probably by some of our Voltarian artists like Stone Boy? Yeah, just a verse of their songs with a Voltarian accent. Would like to have just a few verses of that. Can you give us any of their verses?
Yeah. Was by I made them and some other artists.
Yeah.
One of my favorite songs is Osega, Wosi Ho Ho. We'll hear them. In fact, them here I'm already. Then I'll go for Chief One.
Okay.
Chief One.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I want you to say this in your language, in the
Ewe.
Ewe, yeah,
Okay.
in Ewe. You are going to say Top GTV is always the best.
Okay, Madaku, Nada Kalas near Magbonabi. Top GTV. Yakwenye Hayake Yinfifia. Yenye Hayakele Giaco Fifia. Ye Yakwe Lango by Yimten. Damiano to Miano Kaji Miano Pongo Shab.
Hey, and a baby.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to read comments from our page on Facebook.
Really?
This is from next Nana Kwejo Edinkra. He says he says go hard, bro.
Yo, that's my boy.
Okay, and then he comes again. He says girlfriends or girlfriend.
Ish.
Or try plural or singular. And then this is from Christian. That for said boobs manche.
He knows I am.
Okay, then this is from Nix again. He says preach on champ. Boobs man.
Yeah, I know. I
This
am.
is from Kofi Edem. He says, yo, bloody, stubborn kakra, good boy kakra, this thing kakra, everything so, love you bunch.
That's my cousin.
Okay, and then this is from Nix again. He said, you blast, wow. He comes again. He says, see who is talking about heartbreak. Aboa. This is from Nibote. This is from Nibote.
Okay.
He says, see him out, no doubt he like breast.
At the sock wa.
Next come again, he said party with the boys. Yeah, you chose party with the boys.
Of course.
And then
but I didn't choose party with the boys. I said the boys will give me 2 hours. I would delay them 2 hours. I didn't say if girl there, so I would delay them 2 hours. They can't party with the boys.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
Kofi Adam says the party they hear pass.
I swear.
Next says Asemaba. And then Kofi Adam comes again. He says Real Madrid all the way.
Of course.
Yeah, he's talking about your favorite football team. Yeah. Yes. And then Nick come again. Hey, Nick, Opewa Senpao. Nick, thank you for watching us. Really appreciate you. He says, no wonder you my G, fufu with palm nut soup.
And then one of the Ashawo boys I know.
Okay, so only on a rolly.
No, he's not my friend. Because all not didn't want to share him. Hey.
Sir, or they don't want to share. Ashawo boy and I'm man come man don't want to share.
Also, a person was saying, but I'm not giving him the chance.
Okay. Obviously, he says it again. The marriage, there is not part of the plan. No. Ochamba boy Ashawo will see at the end.
Guy, we used to buy you.
Sir, okay.
That's my bloody.
And then Christian about it that first says Alumo chairman. Hey, do you drink Alumo?
Yeah, I drink Alumo. I love Alumo. That one there, that's my favorite. Yeah, Alumo is my favorite.
It's your favorite.
Yeah.
But aside that, which other alcohol stuff do you take?
I love club.
And then he comes, I have another comment here, Kofi Edem. He says, club manche, taste no you deep.
I do the live.
Sir, so per club. I think you have to give us the list of alcohol drinks you like.
For real, I like anything beer. But I like Alomo, club, hard drinks like
Hard
whiskey.
drinks.
Yeah.
So, Onoma, how do you feel? How is the feeling like?
It boosts my dopamine.
Wow.
It makes me like. It's like I feel relaxed when I drink.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, about my yeah, relaxed,
Yeah,
right?
for real.
Okay. Okay. So, maybe we do a last comment now. Yeah, so this is from Mark. He said, first time about to experience your show, and I think I will love it. Thank you, Mark, for watching us. Christian, so they have a club, the top or
the top truth. With I love club. Oh. This them how many bottles have you sucking?
What's many bottles bear saying?
Oh, for I break bottles.
Bear 12.
Oh.
And at 12, sir. And now yes, slim, sir.
Me the kese ni me. Yeah, me me penam yes.
Yes, slim. Okay. That's
me
nice.
no time so.
I
don't they am this am say yeah me no go here for.
The one that I shall not go here.
I guess we were 5 chambers.
5 chambers. Okay, that's nice. It's been exciting with you.
I know, right?
Yeah, that's so say your friend also. Onya bread now buy.
Thank you.
It's been very interesting and very entertaining as well. My I hope say I share phone so ni yes, yeah, that was so say ne obaye. ahwɛfoɔ ma yɛntwa yɛn ho mbra yɛba a ɛde dwumadi no bɛto aso.
Make a turn.
Yo, Asha4, so that was all about the hot seat show on Top GTV. Ejanya, and I hope so you all enjoyed our hot seat show with our guest Elikem, aka the Asha boy. Yes, I hope you all enjoyed our show today. And then we would like for you to follow us on all social media handles: Top GTV, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Like our videos, you share them. The hot seat is proudly sponsored by Top G Multimedia. We offer services such as printing, video shoots, photo shoots, secretarial services, and a whole lot. Thank you for staying tuned. You watch us every Friday, 3:30 p.m.